Hey everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's a pleasure to see each and every one of you, and welcome to week 4. That's correct. So, hope everyone's having a great week. Hope the start of everything's going well. Now we're going to move on to, we're finally going to get off of perception. So we're off of perception now. We've taken 2 weeks on that. We're going to move on to the third response type, which is technical responses. And you'll be surprised how much technical, sensory, and emotional communication ties into, and along with persuasion, or not persuasion, perception. Perception and sensory communication tie into technical responses and how important they are. We'll get into that a little bit later. So just to give everybody heads up, we got a lecture tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. Central, so I'll see everybody in a couple hours. And also keep in mind you have your initial post due on Tuesday as well. I'll try and get y'all's assignments done by Wednesday, Thursday is my plan. Other than that, let's take a look and see what's going down. So technical responses in on themselves are responses that are visuals and images built into digital systems and technical areas. If it's got a screen and it has some type of symbols or a way to interact and use said system or piece of tool or equipment, that's a technical visual. And the visual itself has got to be built so it's easy to understand and make sense. And help. These are visuals that are meant to help navigate and understand any type of system or interface that a person has to integrate with, and that's what matters. For example, if you're a nurse, I'm sure there's blood pressure machines and heart machines that you have to take a look at in a lot of different ways and different scanning tools. These all have visuals that they're electronically driven as well, and what controls and buttons that work with it. And they got to make sense, right? So these are all visuals that help us understand technical responses. Now, there are 5 major rules what involves with a technical system or visuals that deal with positive responses to show technical areas. The visuals have to be simple and easy to understand. That we got to understand proximity, so there's a lot of correlation between sensory responses. Clarity, is it clear? Is it easy to see or focus on? Engagement, can we navigate with it? Do we get lost anywhere in the system? And then that's navigation, sorry. Engagement, with engagement, we have to put something that's fun out there. Enjoyable. If it's a system that's easy to use and you want to keep using it, people keep coming back, and that's what really matters. So is the system engaging enough for the user as well? Now, there's a couple of good examples right here on the right that we'll take a look at, and we'll review these later tonight. We have drop-down menus, graphic image frames. These help with engagement. Drop-down menus help with a lot of simplicity in the ways and a little bit of navigation. And finally, at the end, highlighted options to show you where you're at. That definitely ties into navigation. These are all good examples of technical visuals. Now, we're going to focus on a few things tonight. We're going to talk about great technical concepts. We're going to focus on visual organization principles, Gestalt principles versus user experience. We're going to take a look at aesthetics and their importance, and visual connectivity. And a lot of people get connectivity wrong where they think it's visual cognition. No, connectivity with visuals ties into spacing and organization, especially with technical systems. And we'll go over that later in lecture tonight. Other than that, links should be posted on the announcements along with discussion and written assignment rubrics. That's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a great week. Hope to see everybody later tonight. Take it easy. See you soon. Bye-bye.